how did you send 7 people? How did you allow them to take, smaller vehicles?
The direct one, 5 minutes some authorities to decide.
जो पुलीस फोर्स पळयलो तो पुलीस फोर्स पळोवन आयज खरें सांगता म्हाका इतलो आमकां मनान भिरांत दिसलो खंय अशें इतलें दिसलें की आमी टॅररिस्ट काय म्हणून. अरे आमी सिन्स 1985च्यान आमी हांगा एअरपोर्टार सर्वीस दिता. सिंगल एक आमचेर कंप्लेंट ना, खंयचें एजिटेशन ना, कसलो आमी हांगा बोर्ड केन्ना करूंक ना. फाटलीं 35 वर्सां आमी एअरपोर्टार हांगा सर्वीस दिता. आयज कित्या खातीर काय म्हणून एक दिल्लीचो कोण करून कावंटर येयला त्याच्या खातीर इतली सरकारी यंत्रणा तुमी हाडून दवरची.
Many scenarios are there. So our scenario is now that we are walking one step further till tomorrow, where additional collector is calling the meetings, and at that meeting he said we can work out a change. So that is welcome to us. So we would like to go everything peacefully, although the deputy collector and the administrator wants to do it by force, enforcing.
Now,
Stop their illegalities.
so that you can.
Yes, we have to stop that illegality by whatever method we have at our disposal. Democratic method and legal method.
To do point-to-point service as questioned by
There is
the
no question of point to point. No question of point to point.
means
What if point to point is what?
point-to-point
They
means
are
the way
making
a
the
taxi.
contract carriage. They are booking the ticket for the contract for the journey. What they are doing it for the what in journey they want to go for the destination.
It will be hire car or self-driven.
What the hire car? This is the hire. It's taxi.
Taxi. They are doing actually a taxi business.
And SGM was very clear. He said in case there is you find anything wrong with it, you can go to the court, you can go and appeal. There are other recourses. We should not resort to this kind of tactic and get personnel.